Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to share with you guys my favorite organic and natural Easter decorating ingredients that don't have any artificial colors. While the holidays can inspire people to get in the kitchen and bake desserts, decorating usually entails artificial colors, food dyes, and lots of candies that have a lot of harmful ingredients in them. But you don't need artificial colors or harmful ingredients to decorate festively for the holidays. So today I'm going to share my favorite Easter decorating ingredients that have no artificial colors. So the first thing I want to talk about is food dye, because Easter is all about carrots and cute little bunnies and eggs, and so orange is no doubt a popular color. And so you could actually get Suncore Foods organic orange food dye, and I use this in my sourdough carrot snack cake, which I'll link in the description, but it has cute little carrots on there that are pastel orange and they're simply adorable. And this literally has one ingredient, you guys, organic carrots. That's it. And Suncore Foods makes a bunch of other organic dyes. They have green, they have pink, they have blue, they have purple, which I'll link everything in the description. But there's also some other ways that you can dye foods naturally as well. You can just get organic strawberry powder, organic wild blueberry powder, you can do organic raspberry powder, which I'll link my favorites as well. These are all great options to dye stuff, especially pastel colors for Easter, because it makes the perfect pastel shade. And then if you want a super bright orange, India Tree's Nature's Colors line is not organic, but they are natural. They use plant-based dyes. This is my top pick. Like if you want a really vibrant orange, it works so well, and there's really minimal ingredients in here. So once you've dyed your frosting for your cake or your brownies or your egg-shaped sugar cookies, of course you're gonna wanna put sprinkles on them. So my favorite sprinkles are India Tree's Nature's Colors line, and these are all plant-based dye sprinkles. They're the best ones that you can get out there. There's a few other brands that make a super similar version. I think like Watkins, Color Kitchen, they all make a similar rainbow one, but India Tree has the most robust line of different colors. So especially for Easter, so like if you want a cute lavender like this, for something like flowers or eggs, or if you want a yellow for like little chicks, or orange for carrots, or rainbow, they have so many, as you can see here. And like this blue one is so cute for little eggs. And so you can definitely easily find plant-based sprinkles to use on all your baked goods. So I know a trend right now is using pastel M&Ms in like blondies and cookie cakes and cookies. You guys can skip the Easter M&Ms. You don't need the artificial colors. You can get unreal milk chocolate gems instead. And these are basically just like M&Ms. They taste super similar, even better, and they use plant-based dyes, and their colors are pink, purple, green, and blue, which is perfect for Easter. And then I also have these organic rainbow candies, and these are from Azure, and these are organic, basically M&Ms. So just like the Unreals, but they're a little bit different shape and they have different colors. These are also a little bit muted because they're made with plant-based dyes, but these are all organic and they're so good. Like I use these on my cosmic brownie cookies and they're just perfect. They make pastel green, pink, blue, and yellow. So you can use these in place of M&Ms in your cookies or your blondies. And so of course it is not Easter without jelly beans. I mean, I think jelly beans is like the quintessential Easter candy. So if you're using jelly beans to make little like bird's nest cupcakes or bird's nest cookies or anything like that, you can use organic jelly beans instead. And there's two companies that make organic jelly beans. There's YumEarth and there's Surf Sweet, and they're both made with plant-based dyes. They're both delicious. They taste very similar. So whatever one you can find will be totally great for your Easter decorations. And YumEarth also makes these things called Giggles, which are basically identical to Skittles, but they're actually even better. So they make a regular one, which is identical to the red bag Skittles, and then they make these sour ones, but these ones are a little bit more pastel color. So if you're looking for something to put on top of your baked goods, these are a great pastel option. They're also really good for inside Easter eggs, for hiding those for your kids. So then I have a bunch of fun Easter candies in these eggs here, and so you can use all these for decorating your baked goods as well. So I have organic gummy bears, YumEarth makes organic gummy bears, Black Forest makes them, and so does Surf Sweet, and they're all delicious. And then I also have these cute little cherry gummies that I found recently, and these would just be so cute on top of some cupcakes for like a spring kind of like Easter inspired dessert. I love these. And saving the best for last, Lake Champlain is my favorite chocolate company that makes the best organic festive chocolates. Like no one else does what they do, and they do it so well. They're also a certified B Corp, which I absolutely love. And these organic chocolate-filled eggs are a favorite of mine. I get these every Easter. They're so nostalgic now because I've been buying them for so long. So I have the assorted bag here, and they have like vanilla, they have milk chocolate, caramel, they have a truffle, they have peanut butter, they have coconut, which is my absolute favorite. And so you can use these milk chocolate and dark chocolate eggs to top cookies, brownies. Like I have a thumbprint cookie recipe that I use them in, and it's so perfect. I also have a mini cheesecake recipe where I put them on top, so it's like super festive. You can also just use these as a decoration to your table because they're so beautifully colored, like a little placeholder even on your Easter table. They would be absolutely perfect. And of course, Lake Champlain makes organic chocolate bunnies. These are my favorite. I also get these every single year. They have dark chocolate, they have milk chocolate, and they make this size in both flavors. And this is like a little place setting size, so it's perfect for like putting on your Easter dinner table if you're doing like a table setup and you're having a party. And they also make this adorable organic chocolate bunny, and it's a bunny driving in a convertible with a giant Easter egg in the back. It is so cute. I use this in my flower cake for Easter, and it's like the perfect centerpiece. It's so adorable. And this is also made of 100% organic chocolate. And this is one of their dark chocolate bunnies, and I have an Easter bunny cake where I set this on top of the cake, which also makes a beautiful centerpiece, and it gives you a 100% organic cake that's totally festive. So I hope this helps you guys realize that you don't need artificial colors or harmful ingredients to decorate festively for Easter. If you want more organic baking tips and tricks, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Happy Easter!